This is Palin Smith down in Seymour at the train station. There's a nice Murphy Must Go sign down here right at the train station so people can see it coming and going. I was here before when the train, about an hour ago, when the train came from the south and moved north. I have a feeling it's coming back right now. Oh my, a Trump train coming. How great is that? Flashing lights. It's the same train. It's a Mark Twain train. I had got it coming and going. Anybody in there? Oh, there's people in there. Anybody looking at the window? That's pretty neat. Trump train in Seymour. The people get on, they told me, where's the next stop? Oh, great. Oh man, you know how much I love Trump trains. Oh. Train number 114. My son's birthday is 214. I think I'll stop by the Woodbury Shell Station and put $1 or $2 on 114 today. You can't go wrong with a train that has Mark Twain on the side and it happens to be a Trump train heading south to Norwalk. Oh man, what a great day.